Prior to the invention of dishwashers, the only option was to manually wash the dishes. The invention of the dishwasher created an option for freeing up the time and making life more convenient for consumers.
The consumers quickly adapted the home appliance for effectively cleaning the dishes while learning of the modern appliance to provide clean dishes faster.
Today there are several brands of the trusted appliance to meet the many needs of consumers who have busy lifestyles and demands.
The dishwasher quickly became a major appliance and a key selling point of many homes. With all the numerous manufacturers of the dishwashers, the options of dishwasher sizes became a major selling point.
Some of the major manufacturers include trusted names such as Hotpoint, Maytag, and Bosch. Each company has selling points to their appliances that easily made their way into the homes across the nation.
The variety of sizes for the dishwashers include portable and built-in models that range from the smaller 18 models up to the larger-sized models that are 24 inches.
The smaller-sized 18 washer is suitable for the small family with about 3 people or those who have a lesser amount of dishes on a daily basis. The larger-sized units are designed for a larger family or those planning to expand their family. The size of the dishwasher is often a major selling point by consumers.
For people wanting the built-in models, dishwasher sizes are important since the appliance is generally placed in one location and not moved, so it should have enough space under the counter to accommodate the appliance without appearing too cramped or crowded.
When the dishwasher sizes is a consideration for the purchase of the appliance, consider the intended use of the appliance, the amount of dishes on a daily basis, and the room for the installation of the unit.